Hello, everyone. My name is Chen. I'm the Chief Product Officer here at BitGo. It's a privilege to be here. Thank you, Cooper. Thank you, Hedera, for hosting. I'm going to start with a brief intro about BitGo. So we provide custody, trade, and other financial services to traditional finance institutions. We're talking about hedge funds, pension funds, family offices, and banks on that side of the house. We also provide technology solutions, so APIs and SDKs to companies large and small in the crypto space. These crypto enterprises include companies like wallet applications, crypto exchanges, ATM operators, even mining companies. So basically any firm that interacts or carries digital assets on their balance sheet has use for any part of this software solution. So on the screenshot here, on the marketing site, this summarizes the entire product surface area. It expands custody, prime services, which includes trading, lending, and settlement, portfolio and tax tools, and of course, very developer-friendly APIs and SDKs. On that note, about half of our clients use the web application. The other half are actually API only, so they don't even use any of the UI that we offer. If Twilio is to communication APIs and Stripe is to payment APIs, we're trying to be basically the equivalent for crypto APIs. And fun fact, that web app that you're looking at here on the screen was entirely built with APIs made available to all engineers. So anybody out there can technically build their own bitgo.com if they were really ambitious. And finally, some numbers. This tech is widely used. We account for 20% of all on-chain Bitcoin transactions by notional value. On the custodial front, there's 16 bill assets under custody. That has been growing over time as well. All right, so on to the challenge itself. We have 3 prompts for you for the hackathon. If your project touches any of these 3, it can be considered a valid submission for the BitGo challenge. As you can see, all 3 prompts revolve around something called account lib, which is part of the BitGo.js open source SDK. You can find it on our GitHub page. There's a link actually on the Hedera Hackathon website to the library as well. So what is account lib? Well, it's a library that provides a common interface to build transactions for popular blockchains. Obviously, Hedera is supported, and we're here to promote its usage. In terms of some perks for account lib, the library is extremely secure. It's standalone, and it can be used offline. Like with all of our other technology, it is multi-sig ready. And finally, once you get things working for Hedera, if your project has the potential to extend across blockchains, activating a second coin or third becomes pretty easy. So in terms of the prompts, the first prompt is any project that demonstrate good use of account lib is pretty broad. If you include account lib as part of your project, it counts. Second is a bit more specific to Hedera. We would love to see folks come in here and extend account lib to support HTS tokens and transactions using the Hedera consensus algorithm. And number 3, we also value documentation. So if your project directly or indirectly improves the documentation of the library, that will count as well. 2 final notes. So under the test folder, there's a bunch of examples of how to get started with the library. Please take a look at this place to start to understand how this thing works. And also, we saw a lot of very interesting challenges today from other companies. If you have another challenge in mind, that's totally okay. It doesn't hurt to also look at account lib, because using account lib can speed up the development for other challenges, and it potentially could be incorporated for added security reasons. So per the hackathon rules, it's totally okay to submit your project for multiple challenges. In terms of prizes, here they are. First prize, second prize, third prize. First prize will get $2,500 worth of HBAR, some amazing BitGo swag. And Mike Belshe is the founder, CEO of BitGo. He's been in this space since 2012, 2013, if not earlier, and myself. So you have the opportunity to grab a lunch with Mike and me. Second prize, $500 worth of HBAR, swag, and the lunch. Third prize, swag, and the lunch. And across the board, there's opportunities to interact, not only with me, but with the rest of the BitGo engineering team. And that's it. So my email is chen@bitgo.com. Happy to answer additional questions there.